Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Sips by unboxing. This is a monthly tea subscription and this is my January box. So there's always a card on top. On the back it tells you about all your teas, the steep times, caffeine levels, all that good stuff. And this one is custom for me based on my little profile I filled out, so yours would be different, but could include some of the same ones. First thing, they always include these little reusable tea bags for the loose leaf tea, because you normally get a mix of loose leaf and ones that are already in satchels. So the first kind of tea, Double Spice Chai by Stash. When they come in individual bags like this, you typically get 4. So that's the first one I got. Also have Tea Kitten. This is Yerba Mate Minty Mojito Mate, high caffeine, and there's 4 servings in here. It's all loose leaf, so I could use the bags for those. That's pretty cool. What are these? Matcha green tea drops. And again, there's 3 of these. Maybe it's because they're bigger. I have never seen these before. Let's see. Japanese matcha tea. I guess you just drop it in there and drink it? I'll have to refer to the card, but yeah, it's like kind of like a pellet, but some of them are a little crushed. That's pretty cool. I do like matcha tea. It's one of the things I get from Starbucks. I like their green tea latte. Smells horrible, tastes good. Don't smell it. Smells like a fish tank or something, but it's good. So this last one is Candy Cane Crush Minty Holiday Classic by David's Tea. And this is all loose leaf and a little packet here. Has all the information, steep time, caffeine level, how many scoops, all that. And then we have a little card on the back. 20% off teas at stashtea.com with the code WINTERSIPS at checkout. And let's take a look at this, see what it says about the matcha tea. It says it has organic cane sugar and premium matcha green tea. Cool. You're just a drop away from a perfect cup. And yeah, a lot of times there are coupon codes for all these different companies if you want to like order more. So it's really cool. And if you guys want to try Sips by, I have a promo code below that will give you free shipping, I believe. I'll put it in the description box in case you want to check it out. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.